Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our Infinity classes. ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. In this video we are going to prove the another very important properties of definite integral that has been asked 7 times in the annual examination. 7 ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 बार से already पूछा गया है 7 times. See here, the year March 2014, 17, 18, 19, 24, July 16 and exam 1 2025. That is prove that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇವಾಗ prove that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx and hence evaluate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 0 to 5/4 log 1 plus tan x March 14 and exam 1 2025 March, and 0 to 5/2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x July 2016. Next, third problem 0 to 5/2 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x March 2017, and the fourth problem 0 to a root of x plus root of a minus x dx March 2018. So in this video we are going to prove the one property and 4 problems we are solving based on the property. So keep on watching my channel. So see the proof of the property. First, to prove this one we will take first RHS part. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx and hence evaluate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ to prove this one I will take RHS. What is RHS here? Integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the RHS. Now I will take the substitution. I'm using what here? Substitution. In the place of a minus x, we are taking the substitution a minus x is equal to what? T. Put a minus x is equal to t. Here I am writing, put a minus x is equal to t. A minus x is equal to t and differentiate with respect to t. With respect to t, derivative of a0, derivative of x with respect to t means what? Dx by dt. Then derivative of t is what? 1. Then solve for a dx. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. So dx is equal to what? Minus dt. So after taking the substitution लेने के बाद में limit change करना है, lower limit and upper limit. You have to change the limit after taking the substitution. Again I am writing here once again, that is a minus x. A minus x is equal to t. Now when x is equal to 0, what is the lower limit? When x is equal to 0, if I put 0 in the place of x here, that is the value of t. This implies t is equal to what? A. When x is equal to a, t is equal to what? 0. Now come to this part here. And then 0, when I take 0, that is lower limit, t will be what here? A. And a, when x is equal to a, t will be what? 0. And f of a minus x is nothing but t. And dx means what here? Minus dt. Minus dt. Then take the minus sign outside. Integration of 0 to a f of t and dt. 0, sorry. Take the minus sign outside. A to 0 f of t dt. Now interchange the limit. If you change the limit, the sign of the integral will be changed. That is another minus will become minus into minus plus. That is 0 to a f of t dt. Now applying the first property, that is change of variable. Change t to x, that is variable we are changing, f of x dx, that is equal to what? LHS. That is equal to LHS. See here, what I did here, first take the substitution. A minus x is equal to what? T. Differentiate derivative of a0 dx by dt minus dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Solve for dx. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now once again I am writing a minus x is equal to t. When x is equal to 0, we have to change the limit. The value of t will be what? A. When x is equal to a, t will be what? A minus a, 0. Now come to here, in the place of 0, a to 0, we are writing the limit here. A minus x means what? T. Dx means what? Minus dt. Now take this minus sign outside. A to 0, f of t dt. Now interchange the limit. The minus will go out, minus into minus, plus. If you interchange the limit, sign of the integral will be changed. 0 to a, f of t dt, it will become. Now last step, we are applying the change of variable property. T becomes x, dt becomes what? Dx. That is equal to what? LHS. Hence the proof of the property. Last, hence, therefore, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, now I am writing here that one. Therefore, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Hence the proof. This is the proof of the property after this step last. So we have to prove in this manner. It is very simple and easy property is there, and very important, that has been already asked 7 times in the annual examination. So pause the video and note it down. We are going to solve the next remaining 4 problems based on this property. So this one, first one, that is I is equal to, take the I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4. 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Call this as equation 1. This problem and the property March 2014 and exam 1 March 2025, that already has been asked. See here, this stuff we know that the property, we know that, just we prove the property. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now applying here this property, what is the value of a here? A means what here? 5 by 4. A means what? 5 by 4. A minus x, wherever x is there, we have to apply a minus x here. For this step property we are applying here, x changed to what? 5 by 4 minus x, because a minus x means what is the value of a here? 5 by 4. That is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus tan 5 by 4 minus x dx. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus tan a minus b formula. We are applying this one, tan 5 by 4 minus x is equal to what? Tan 5 by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan 5 by 4 into tan x. We are applying tan a minus b formula here for this step, and I am writing here separately. I am showing and writing here into what? Dx. Now next, after that, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus tan 5 by 4, this value tan 5 by 4, and here tan 5 by 4, it will become what? 1 1. Yes, tan 5 by 4 means what? 1 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus this 1 into tan x. Tan 5 by 4 is what? 1 1 into tan x is what? Tan x dx. Now take the LCM and cross multiply. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 into 1 1 into tan x. That is 1 plus tan x is the LCM. 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. Dx. Now next step, this minus tan x and plus tan x get cancel. 1 plus 1, this 1 plus 1 is what? 2. that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x dx. Now applying the property log m by n. So here I am applying the property log m by n is equal to what? Log m minus log n. This is m, this is m, and this is what? N. Applying the log m by n property here to this step, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log 2 dx, that is log m, minus 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x dx, then I is equal to, take log 2 outside because it is a constant, log 2 0 to 5 by 4 dx, because log 2 is constant, take outside this one, and minus this is replaced by what? I from equation 1. So here from equation 1 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x is what? I. We are taking this one is what? I from 1. Now take this minus I to the left side, minus I, it goes to the what? Left side, minus I become plus I, that is 2I is equal to log 2 integration of dx will be what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 4, then 2I is equal to upper limit first, that is 5 by 4, after integration substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 4, and minus of the what? Lower limit, log 2 5 by 4 minus 0, then 5 by 4 into log 2, then 2I is equal to 5 by 4 log 2, then I is equal to 2 4 the 8, that is 5 by 8 log 2. So this is the final answer for this problem. I is equal to 5 by 8 log 2. Pause the video and note it down. It's very simple and easy problems are there. So just we have to follow the step wise. So next one problem, that is I is equal to, this problem has been asked in the year July 2016 with property for 6 marks. It is also very simple problem is there. So look at here, in the same way again we have to proceed, that is I is equal to, this is equation 1. Equation 1. So very first step only, now we have to apply the property. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So we are applying the property, means we are changing x here, 1 2 3, 3 times x will be there in the given integrand. So we have to change the 3 times, that is x, that is what is the value of a here? A means what? 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus x. Now that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 square root of, then square root of plus square root of. See here how we are writing here, sin x will become, now after applying the property a minus x, sin 90 minus x. Here also sin x changed to what? Sin 90 minus x, that is a minus x. Now again cos x will become what? Cos 90 minus x. So this is what we are applying the property in the very first step only here. Sin x will become what? Sin 90 minus x. Sin x will be what? Sin 90 minus x. Cos x will become what? Cos 90 minus x, because we are applying the property a minus x. What is the value of a here? That is 5 by 2. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 square root of sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, plus cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x dx. Call this as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get, adding 1 and 2 we get I plus I, 2I in the left side. See what is the equation 1 left side? I, and equation 2 is also what here? I plus I is what? 2I. The integration is common, 0 to 5 by 2, and the denominator root cos x plus root sin x, root cos x plus same. Denominator is same means we have to add the numerator. What is the numerator of equation 1? Root sin x, root cos x. We have to add the numerator, that is root sin x plus root cos x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Now cancel this one. Then 2i is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 dx. 1 into dx, this is 1. 1 into dx is what? Dx. And 2i is equal to what here? Integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Then 2i is equal to upper limit first, that is 5 by 2 minus 0. Lower limit with the minus. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2. Then I is equal to 2 2s are 4. In this way, we have to solve the problem. That is I is equal to what? 5 by 4. So we have to solve like that. Pause the video and note it down. So these are very simple problems are there. So just we have to follow the what steps now. So moving to the what next problem, that is third problem. Very important problem, this one, that has been asked in the year already March 2017. Yes, March 2017 problem with property, that is I is equal to. So take the given one first, I is equal to. Now very first step we are applying the what here? Property here. Not property, first need to simplify here. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x as it is. 2 log sin x as it is minus log sin 2x. I am using the formula. Sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x dx. Sin 2x can be written. Sin 2x, I am writing sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus, see here, log m into n into p. Log m into n into p. It will become what? Minus log 2 plus log sin x plus log cos x. Applying the property of logarithm, log m into n into p, log m plus log n plus log p. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x. Now open the bracket, multiply it, minus log 2, then minus into plus, that is minus log sin x, then minus into plus minus log cos x dx. Now see here, 2 log sin x minus log sin x. 2 log sin x minus log sin x. 2 log sin x minus log sin x is what? Log sin x, it will remain log sin x. See here. Now next step, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. In this 2 log sin x and minus log sin x will be what? Log sin x minus log 2 minus this log cos x as it is. Log cos x dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 log sin x ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 log sin x ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We are subtracting in the 2 log sin x, 1 log sin x we are subtracting here, so that it will become what? Log sin x and minus log 2 as it is and log cos x as it is. Call this as equation 1. At this step we are applying the property. ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In this step we are applying the what? Property now here. What is our property? We know that. integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We are applying this property here now. So how many times x is there here? Say here x sin x cos x. So what is the value of a? A means what here? 5 by 2. X changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x. 5 by 2 minus x. Now next step I am writing here. Now. See here the next step, how to apply the property and write the next step. I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. Log sin x will become log sin 90 minus x. Minus log 2. Minus log cos x will become a cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x dx. And then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. Sin 90 minus x cos x. Log cos x. Minus log 2. Cos 90 minus x sin x. That is equation 2. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Left side I plus I is what? 2i. In the left side I plus I is what? 2i. That is 0 to 5 by 2 is common here for both equation 1 and 2. So here plus log sin x is here in the equation 1. Here minus log sin x. It will get cancelled. Yes. We are adding equation 1 and 2. We are adding equation 1 and 2 here. What we are doing here? Plus log sin x plus into minus log sin x get cancelled. Minus log cos x plus log cos x get cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Minus log 2. And here also what? Minus log 2. See here. This step and this after adding, these are get cancelled. After adding log sin x minus log sin x, log cos x get cancelled. Now minus log 2 and here also what? Minus log 2. It will become what? Minus 2 log 2. Minus 2 log 2 dx. Now take minus 2 log 2 outside. 2i is equal to minus 2 log 2 integration of 0 to 5 by 2 dx. This 2 get cancelled here. Now I is equal to minus log 2 integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Now upper limit, that is 5 by 2 minus lower limit. I is equal to minus log 2 5 by 2 minus 0. Now 5 by 2 into log 2 is what? 5 by 2 log 2. So the final answer is what? I is equal to minus 5 by 2 log 2 is the final answer. So pause the video and note it down. If you have any doubts, just give me the comment in the comment box. So pause the video and note it down. So the last problem of this session of this video is what? 0 to a root of x divided by root x plus root a minus x dx. This problem and property has been asked in the year March 2018. It is asked in the year March 2018. So let us see here, that is I is equal to, and call this as equation 1. Now applying the property first only, that is integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We know that the property we are applying property. X changed to here a means what? A itself a minus x, a minus x, a minus x. So applying the property, I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root of a minus x changed to what? A minus x dx. Then I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus open the bracket minus a minus into minus plus x, a minus a plus x dx. Now plus a minus a cancel here. Now I is equal to integration of 0 to a root of a minus x divided by a minus x plus root x dx. Call this as equation 2. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. We get I plus I 2i. Integration of 0 to a root x plus root a minus x, because denominator is what? Root x plus root a minus x. Root a minus x plus root x means what? Same. Denominator is same. We can add the numerator now here. That is root x plus root a minus x. Then root x plus root a minus x dx. Now this will get cancelled. And 2i is equal to 0 to a dx. Then 2i is equal to x between the limit 0 to a. Then 2i is equal to upper limit, that is a, minus of the what? Lower limit, that is 0. Then 2i is equal to a. Then I is equal to a by 2. So this is the final answer. So these are the what very important problem. So if you have any doubts, just leave the comment in the comment box. So keep on watching my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and be with us for your second PUC exam preparation. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, just leave me the comment in the comment box so that I will clear your doubts. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.